Yeah, hi Sridhar.
Yeah, hi Srinivas.
Yeah, good morning. How are you?
Yeah, very good morning. I'm doing good. How are you?
Yeah, doing great. Thank you. Okay,
Yeah.
so let's get started. Can you, brief about yourself? So, what are the projects you have done and all? Just can you brief about yourself?
Yeah, sure. Yeah, hi Srinivas. As you know, my name is Sridhar. I have total 5.2 years of experience on IT, relevant to Power BI 3.8 years. I have, and I am working as a Power BI developer in Mindtree, and my current project is AIG. And coming to my roles and responsibilities, I am responsible to attend daily stand-up meeting, and I am responsible to understand BRD. BRD means business requirement document. If I have any questions, I will raise to the user. Once user can clarifies that question, I will go ahead and develop the reports. Once I develop the report, we will have a review with internal team. We have some best practices, look and feel and performance. Best practices like timestamp should be top of the right side of the report so that user can understand how latest the data would be. Filters should be on the left side of the report and and per page we have 8 visuals. As I said, we are also looking for performance of the report, right? We are doing so many calculations in reports. Is there any way to do that calculation in source level so that our report performance will be increased? Once the team review is done, as per review comments from the team, I will update my report accordingly. Then we will have a final review with manager. Once manager give LGTM, LGTM means looks good to me, then we will publish this report to UIT workspace. From there we'll share to the user. Once user can LGTM, then I will publish this report production workspace. From there we will share to the all end user groups. This is brief about myself, Srinivas.
Thank you, Sridhar. Thank you so much. It was a nice explanation, nice introduction. Okay,
Yeah, thank you.
so can you explain the flow? Like, so what is your source and then how you are connecting and all? So, can you explain your
Yeah.
project flow?
Yeah. My current project is AIG.
Mhm.
Generally, AIG is a mutual insurance association company. It's a UK based company. They provide insurance to vehicles like domestic, commercial, etc. for different locations in the world. At AIG, generally 80% of the business is driven by top 20% brokers. As such, it has become essential to continuously review with the effectiveness and efficiency of brokers using certain key performance indicators. Along with evaluation, it is also important to identify the gaps, improvements, areas, if any, and help brokers to do the better. So, coming to my roles and responsibilities to in the project, import the data from SQL Server to Power BI desktop. We'll apply the requirement transformation like append, merge, uh, parameter creation, group by splitting, whatever we need. Then after create relationship and after creating modeling, and we will create the visuals and publish into the Power BI services. And I used the charts like scatter chart, donut chart, and tree map. Uh, uh, so and bar charts, column charts, these charts and cards, KPIs I have used in this project. Yeah.
Okay, very good. Um,
Yeah.
so you have used
And
the.
then one thing we have created 6 reports in the duration of 3 months. That is monetary value, underwriter statistics, new codes, renewal codes, monthly referral reports, open aging codes. Yeah, in these reports, we find the expiring premium, renewal premium, number of vehicles expiring, and number of vehicles renewals, and what is the underwriters and number of member groups, member of countries, renewal by the member domicile. So premium by branch, underwriter job, premium by underwriter job title, premium by broker group and broker name, code creator, premium by vehicle type and vehicle name, premium by member group and name, premium by member domicile.
Okay.
So we have
Yeah,
created 6
got it.
reports.
Like out of your reports, how end user get benefiting? Like, so where the business they needs to improve. So you are helping them, right? By creating reports.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. Okay. Got it. Got it.
Yeah.
Okay. Moving to the next question. Like, so you are connected with the SQL server. Like, okay, which type of connectivity modes you connected?
Yeah, I have connected with
Import connection mode.
SQL Server with import mode.
Like, how many types of connectivity modes we have?
Generally, we have import direct and live connections,
Mhm.
connectivity modes.
Mhm.
So it will import copy data into Power BI, and coming to direct, data will be at source. Coming to live, data and model will be at source. And coming to import, we can connect all 99 sources, and direct it's for DBs like SQL, Oracle, Node, Oracle. So, and coming to live, this is only for analysis. And import pro have 1 GB data limit, premium have 10 GB data limit. Coming to direct, no data limit, and coming to live, 100 TB data limits. And coming to import all DAX functions, direct DAX limitations. We have DAX limitations in direct mode. And coming to live, all DAX functions, we can
What are the
write.
DAX limitations? Like, so what are the DAX limitations? Which DAX functions will not work in a direct connection? Time intelligence functions.
Time intelligence functions.
These are the functions. Okay.
Count and count.
Yeah. Okay. So performance wise, which one is the faster? Import or
Performance wise, import and live will be import and direct performance fast. Performance wise, direct is slow, and live is fast.
Okay.
And in the import, no latest data, and coming to direct, it's a latest data, and coming to live also, it's a latest data. And we have a in import visual data and modeling tabs, and coming to direct visual and modeling tabs only, and coming to live we have only visual tab only.
Okay. So coming to the licenses, okay, how many types of licenses we have in Power BI?
Yeah, we have 3 types of licenses: free, pro, premium. Yeah, coming to free, all functionalities with no sharing. There is a no sharing option.
All functionalities means what? Like, I mean to say,
We have to publish the
query.
reports, and
We can do
create
all
the
kind of Power Query, so like that, right? Functionalities means like, what do you mean functionality? Like, Power Query, Power Pivot, and Power View is the
yes.
functionality.
Yes. We have Power Query and Power like.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, coming to Pro, all functionalities with sharing, and Premium, all functionalities with sharing. And Pro user-based license, Premium is a capacity-based license. Pro cost is $9.99, and Premium capacity $4,995, and
Per
Premium per
month,
user
right?
per month $20.
Okay.
Yeah, Pro have 1 GB data limit, and Premium 10 GB data limit. End user should have Pro license, and Premium no license
End
required.
user means like, if you share the report, end user should have a license. That's what you mean to say.
Yes, right.
When we will go with the Pro license, okay, if you share the report, end user also should have the license. Okay. And what about the premium?
Yeah, Premium no license required for
End users. Okay. End user don't require any license if you share the report to access that report, right? Okay. Yeah.
Yes. And we have 8 times refreshes per day in Pro, and coming to Premium 48 times refreshes per day, and Pro basic analytics. Coming to, and Premium is at advanced analytics.
Okay, so you mean to say in Pro we can do some basic analytics, and Premium we can do some advanced analytics like machine learning kind of things. Okay. Yeah.
Yes. Yeah, and small and medium business people will go for Pro, and large and enterprise level people will go for Premium license.
Okay, super. So, what is the difference between duplicate and reference tables?
Yeah, coming to duplicate, all update steps comes from main query, and coming to reference, only source steps come from main query.
Okay.
So if you change anything in main query, that will not effective to duplicate.
Okay.
In duplicate. Coming to reference, if you change anything in main query, that will affect to reference like row, column, or any changes.
Okay.
And duplicate, if you change anything in duplicate, it will not affect to main query. Reference also, if you change anything in reference, it will not affect to main query. And coming to duplicate, main query is not having any dependency on duplicates. And reference, main query is having dependency on reference. Once you delete reference, then only you can delete main query. Without deleting the reference query, we can't delete the main query.
Okay, very nice. And so, like, do you know the difference between merge and append?
Yeah.
Yeah, please. What is the difference between merge and append?
The merge the columns from two tables into a single table, and append will combine multiple table rows into a single table.
Okay.
Merge only for two tables, append more than two tables.
Okay, means
Merge is
can
not a case
combine
sensitive.
only two tables at a time.
Sorry.
So you mean to say merge combines only two table columns into single table at a time, right?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah.
Merge is not a case sensitive, and append is a case sensitive. Key column required from both tables for merge, and does not require any key columns for append.
Okay.
And
so how many types of joins
join.
we have in a merge query?
Yes. Merge is a join, and append is a union.
Okay. So how many types of joins we have in the merge query?
Yeah, we have 6 types of joins. One key column should be there in the both tables. Left outer join, right outer join, full outer join, inner join, left anti, right anti. Yeah, left outer join, total records from left table matching records from right table, and right outer join, total records from right table matching records from left table.
Okay.
And total records, full outer join, total records from left table and total records from right table. And inner join, only matching records from both the tables. And left anti, only left table records which are not matching with the right table. And right anti, only right table records which not matching with the left table. Yeah.
Okay, what is the default join here?
Yeah, we have a default. The left outer join is a default join.
Okay, very good. And moving to the modeling part, like so can you differentiate between the fact and dimension table? What is fact table and what is dimension table? What it will have exactly?
Yeah, fact table is a it will more number text data and master table. And coming to dimension table, it will more text data, it will hierarchies. Yeah, fact table, it will always ask the questions about the facts. And
which one it will ask? Dimension table will ask the question to the fact, right? Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
Coming to fact, div will have the unique key data, and fact will have duplicate entries.
Okay. Which one will maintain the foreign keys? Like which primary key? Sorry, which one will maintain the primary key and which one will maintain the foreign key?
Dim table will have primary keys and foreign keys. Fact table have primary keys.
No. So yeah, fact table will have the foreign keys and dimension table will have the primary keys. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
So nice. Moving to the next. Yeah. Please go ahead. Okay, if you have.
Yeah, fact table will have duplicate entries. Dim table will have duplicate entries. Fact table we will duplicate entries. Fact will have more data compared to dim table. Dim will have the unique data. Dim table will less amount of data compared to fact table.
Okay. Yeah. So moving to the next question. Now, what is star schema and snowflake schema? And can you also difference between them?
Yeah. Yeah, star schema between the difference star schema and snowflake schema. Star schema, it combine the tables, and snowflake schema splitting the tables. And coming to star schema, less tables. Snowflake schema, more tables we have. And coming to star schema, less giants. In the snowflake schema, more giants. And reading will be fast at star schema, and snowflake schema reading will be slow. Recommended for when we historical data, we will go for star schema. Recommended for when we have less amount of data, then we will go for snowflake schema.
Okay, but what is star schema? Star schema means like what? Fact table
Yeah.
connects with the.
Hello.
Okay, so what is
Yeah.
star schema? Do you have any idea? If you don't have an idea, we'll move. Like, what is star schema? Star schema means actually, so the fact table connects with the dimension table directly. That is called star schema, right? And then
Yes. Yes.
snowflake schema. What is
Snowflake
snowflake?
schema. Fact table connects with the dimension table. Again, the dimension table connects with the another dimension table is called snowflake schema.
Okay, okay. So can you difference between what is a measure and a column? Like so,
Yeah.
what is a new measure and a new column?
Yeah. Yeah. Coming to measure, recommend write a number data type. Coming to measure, and column is any data type.
Okay.
So measure is it's a returns a scalar value, and column is not it's not a scalar value.
Okay.
And measure is a dynamic calculation, and column it defined calculation.
Predefined. Okay.
So yeah. Measure is CPU processing time. It will and column it will take CPU memory.
Okay.
Measure is a filter context, and column is a row context.
Okay.
Yeah. Measure is not belongs to any table, and column it belongs to specific tables.
Okay.
Yeah, measure is it is just like a SQL view, and column it is just like a SQL table.
Okay. Fine.
When we visual refresh the measure will be refreshed, and coming to column, when source data is refreshed, then column will be refreshed. Yeah.
Okay. So have you used the calendar function? Uh, calendar auto.
Yeah.
So what is the difference between calendar and calendar auto?
Yeah. Calendar, we have a control and date in calendar, and calendar auto, we don't have any control and dates.
So automatically it will
And
create from the model, right? Calendar auto, it will automatically create the calendar table from the model.
yes.
Okay.
Yes. Yeah. Based on exact start and end and exact end date, we can create in calendar table.
Okay.
But start date always starting the year of start date, and end date would be ending year of the end date in calendar auto.
Okay.
Yeah.
So that is the main differences. Okay. So like, so what are the aggregation functions you worked? Aggregation functions like
Some.
sumx, right? Only some you worked on sumx also.
Yeah. Sumx. Yeah. Sum
And
is a
aggregation
filter level
functions we
context.
have, like count functions, average functions, and min max also we have. Can you know the difference between sumx? Can you give me the difference between some?
Yeah. Sure. Yeah. Sum is a filter level context, and sumx is a row level context. Sum it will work on work on columns, and sumx is work on row level context, row by row. Yeah.
Okay.
Syntax, some syntax is a some open bracket, column name and close bracket, and sumx is a sumx table comma expression and close bracket.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what is RLS and how many types of RLS we have?
Yeah, RLS is a row level security. Based on the roles, we can restrict the data. We have starting RLS and dynamic RLS. To create the static RLS, we will provide values manually. And coming to dynamic RLS, to create dynamic RLS, we will use the DAX functions like username, user principal name.
Okay. Okay. So coming to the Power View, how many types of filters we have in Power BI?
Yeah, we have 4 filters in Power BI. Visual level filter, page level filter, report level filter, drill through filter. Yeah, visual level filter, it will filter on this visual only.
Okay.
We have basic filtering, advanced filtering, and top and filtering options. And page level filter, filter on this page only on one page only. In this, we have a basic filtering, advanced filtering options. Okay? And report level filter, it will work on filter on all pages, entire reports. We have a basic filtering and advanced filtering, text, number, and dates, relative time, and relative date. Drill through filter is a summary page, detail page. Drill through should be on detail. If you apply filter and navigation to detail page, that can call drill through filter.
Okay, means we'll apply filter in the main page and then navigate to the detail page.
Yes, that navigate to detail page.
Okay, that is called drill through. Okay.
Yes.
So we'll enable, where we'll enable the drill through? In the detail
Yeah,
page.
in filter
page.
section.
Yeah.
We will enable the filter section. Yeah.
Okay. So, what is the difference between filters and slices?
Yeah. Filter mainly for developers, slicer mainly for user. Yeah. Filter having filters for all pages, and slicers, you can have slicers for specific pages. And performance wise, filters fast, and performance wise, slicers is slow, only direct query. Yeah, visual filter is a visual level filter, and slicer no visual level slicer.
Okay.
And no hierarchy for filter, and slicer hierarchies slicers having.
Okay.
Yeah, filter advanced and top end, we have options. In slicers, no advanced and no top end options we don't have. Yeah.
Okay. So then what are the difference between report and dashboard?
Yeah, report is a we will implement in Power BI desktop and service also, and dashboard only we can see in Power BI service. We can create in Power BI service. And report will have multiple pages. Dashboard have only one page.
Okay.
And report, each visual will be interactive in page. Okay. And dashboard only live pin will be interactive. When we create with live pin, then only dashboard will interactive. Okay. Yeah.
So have you given permissions from workspace?
So, sorry.
Have you given permissions through, like how you shared the reports from workspace, right?
Yeah.
Like what are the different kind of roles we have at workspace?
We have workspace roles like admin, member, contributor, VR. Admin is a super user. Admin can do anything in the Power BI service workspace level. Admin can create, delete, update, publish, and sharing, read and write. Member can publish, sharing, read and write. Contributor can do publish, sharing, read, and viewer can only read only access for the viewer.
Okay. So last question, what is the difference between data flow and the data set?
Yeah, data set is nothing but collection of data sources.
Okay.
When we create one Power BI file using Power Query, transforming the data and build your model relationships, and then create your DAX measures, everything together stored in a PBX file, correct? So once you publish it, is this entire PBX file stored as a data set. So this is data set. And coming to data flows are online Power Query editor, Power BI service. Data flows is a self-service ETL tool where you can apply transformation. Data flows are stored in Azure Data Lake storage. Data flows are not data sets. You should have an organizational workspace. You should enable data flows in admin portal only. You should have a pro or premium account. And for on-premises data sources file, you should have a standard gateway installed in your machine, and it should map to your service account. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Thanks, Sridhar. It was nice talking to you. So
Yeah. Thank you, Srinivas.
yeah. Thank you.
Thank you, Srinivas.
Yeah.
Thank you. It was nice talking to you.
Yeah. Thank you.